Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Also subscribe to join the family, like this video, leave a comment, and also share this video. And if you're an old subscriber, you are also welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a DIY Chebe butter. Now I am going to go ahead and start this video right away. I'll start by measuring out the amount of Chebe powder that I need. In this video I used about 1 tablespoon of Chebe powder and 1 teaspoon of Chebe powder. So you can use 2 tablespoons of Chebe powder, you can use 1 tablespoon depending on the amount of Chebe powder you have. Now the next thing I'm going to use is my sulfur 8 hair cream. Now this is totally optional, you don't have to use this is optional. I added this for a particular reason, and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon or 1 spoonful of sulfur 8. And after that I'm going to use my avocado butter. Now you can substitute this avocado butter for shea butter or cocoa butter or also mango butter. Now if you want a butter that is lighter, you can use avocado butter or mango butter, but if you want a butter that is on the thicker side, I'll advise you use shea butter and cocoa butter. So I started to weigh my oil, and I used about 290 grams of oil. This is coconut oil and castor oil, and I'm going to go ahead and boil my coconut oil because I don't want to cook my Chebe powder. And as I'm boiling my coconut oil, I am going to melt my butter and sulfur 8. So I just finished boiling it. As you can see, it is very hot, and I added my Chebe powder, and I'm going to add the butter mixture into the Chebe powder as well. And as you can see, it is very hot. I don't want to cook this. I'm going to just allow this to cool down here. So now it is cool and I am stirring it. I am going to leave this to infuse properly for 1 hour, and then I'm going to strain it, and I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. So I just finished straining my oil, and as you can see, it is very smooth and there is no particle inside. You can see it on my hand. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to leave this to cool down. You can put this in your fridge and allow it to cool, and then you bring it out and whip it using your hand mixer or whatever mixer you have, or you can just leave it to cool down. Either ways, it is going to cool properly. So I'm going to leave mine for a few hours, and I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like. So I just allowed it to cool down a bit. Now I am going to use my hand mixer to whip this up. So my socket was very far from where I was filming, so I'm going to mix this properly, and I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. Now I am done mixing, and I poured it into this small container because I normally make this, and I make the amount I can use at a time. I don't like leaving it for a long time. So I am going to apply this to my hair. I am going to show you guys how to apply this to your hair, and as you can see, my butter is light. So guys, it's time to show you guys how to use this. You can apply this to a freshly washed hair, or you can spray your hair with water and then apply to your hair. You don't have to wash this out because there is no particle in it. And the reason why this butter is a bit on the watery side is because I used avocado butter. If you want a thick butter, you can use shea butter. Shea butter is thick, or you can add cocoa butter to this avocado butter, but I wanted my own to be in a very light consistency. You all know I love my butters being super light. I don't like thick butters at all because I don't wash them out. I just put them in my hair and weave my hair. So we're going to go ahead and apply this to my hair, and as you can see, my hair is dry. I've not washed my hair for about 2 weeks now. So I'm going to do a proper wash day routine because I'm about to put my hair in a protective style. I'm about to do a passion twist on my hair, so I'm going to do a proper wash day routine and show you guys how I prep my hair for protective styling. In my last video, someone told me that they couldn't see the products I was showing them. So because of that, I'm going to do my wash day, my next wash day, with the same product I used last time, and I'll show you guys properly in case you want to get them. So I'm going to do that. My wash day routine will be coming up this weekend, so I'm going to do that video showing you guys, and I'll be showing you guys how I prep my hair for a protective style. I'm planning to do a passion twist on my hair, and I promise to give you guys a detailed video on how I part my hair and how I do the passion twist. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this hair butter. So first, I'm going to section my hair into 2 parts. Like I said before, if you want your butter to be thick, if you want a thicker consistency, make sure you use shea butter and cocoa butter instead of using avocado butter or mango butter. Those butters are light, while shea butter is a bit on the thicker side. Shea butter is thick, cocoa butter is also thick, but mango butter is light and avocado butter is light. I've never used cocoa butter before, so I can't really tell. I'm going to spray my hair with water, starting from my ends. So my hair is 2 months post relaxer, and my hair has already shrinked a lot. So the only thing I do right now is to put my hair in a protective style, apply my butter, oil my scalp. These are the only things that I've been doing. Just saturate your hair enough. You can do this on a freshly washed hair, or spray your hair with water like I'm doing. You can see how this looks. So for people that don't have sulfur age, so guys, I just finished filming and I just realized that I was not even filming. You can see I am done with my hair. Every single thing I said was not recording at all. So I'm just going to repeat a few things that I said. So I was saying, if you don't have sulfur age, you don't have to stress yourself about it. You can skip that step and use only your butter and your Chebe powder. If you want, I can make a video without adding sulfur aid, but the reason why I normally add sulfur aid to most of my hair products is because I suffer from dandruff, and I use any product that can make my hair creams or my hair butters hot a little bit, so that I can help it can help fight dandruff on my hair. I can do this without sulfur aid. You can do this totally without sulfur aid, so you can skip that step. That's what I wanted to mention. So guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.